Sanibonani bafundi. Namhlanje nizofunda amagama wezingxenye zobuso. Hi learners. Today you will learn the names of the parts of the face. So on this video, we are just going to practice to say the parts of the face. Okay, we are going to learn the names of the parts of the face and we are going to practice to say them. Okay, we are going to start with this one. Ubuso. Ubuso is this part, the whole part. Ubuso is face. So we're going to learn the parts of the face in Zulu. So let's look at the first one. So this is what? Head. Head in Zulu is ikhanda. Ikhanda. So now you are going to say the word with me. Ikhanda. Good job. And then here we have eye. So for one eye, we call it ilihlo or iso. Ilihlo or iso. So now you are going to say the word with me. Ilihlo, iso. So for one eye is ilihlo or iso. For two eyes, we call them amehlo. Amehlo. Say with me. Amehlo. Amehlo. Good job. And then here we have nose. Nose is ikhala. Ikhala. Now say with me. Ikhala. Ikhala. Good job. Mouth. We call mouth is umlomo. Umlomo. Now say with me. Umlomo. Umlomo. Good job. And then here, the arrow is pointing teeth. So teeth in Zulu, we call them amazinyo. Amazinyo. Now say with me. Amazinyo. Amazinyo. Good job. And then here the arrow is pointing the tongue. Tongue in Zulu is ulimi. Ulimi. Now say with me. Ulimi. Good job. And for one ear is indlebe. Indlebe. Now say with me. Indlebe. Indlebe. Good job. Two ears. Two ears, we call them izindlebe. Izindlebe. Now say with me. Izindlebe. Izindlebe. And then here we have beautiful hair. So we call hair izinwele. Izinwele. Now say with me. Izinwele. Okay, but for one hair we say inwele. Inwele. But when there are many, we call them izinwele, because that's how you normally find hair. It's very rare to just find one hair, but we call one hair inwele, and when there are many, we say izinwele. Okay, well done, grade 2s. So please watch the video and then practice the words So now we are going to sing a song. Our song is about face. It's about the face. Remember the song we've learned it in grade R and grade 1. So we are going to sing it. So when you sing the song, you have to make sure you touch the right body part. So the song goes like this. Ikhanda, amehlo, isifuba, ukhalo, umlomo, amazinyo, umlomo, amazinyo, ikhanda, amehlo, izindlebe, ikhalo, umlomo, amazinyo, umlomo, amazinyo. Do you remember the song? Okay, now I want you to join me when I'm singing, and then make sure you touch the right body parts. Okay, let's go. Ikhanda, amehlo, izindlebe, ikhala, umlomo, amazinyo, umlomo, amazinyo, ikhanda, amehlo, izindlebe, ikhala, umlomo, amazinyo, umlomo, amazinyo. Well done. That's it for today. Salani kahle, ngiyabonga.